Are you looking for a way to find more fulfillment and joy as an artist? Or find another way to share your love for art? If so, have you considered teaching? Hi, I'm Mary. I've had 20 plus years of teaching art experience, as well as just making my own art. If you are an artist or art teacher or both, please subscribe to my channel so you can get more content like this. So here are 5 questions to ask yourself to see if you should consider teaching art. Do you get excited about what you've just learned or just created? So having a student or students is a great avenue to share your inspiration, your new findings, and all that you know about art and the mediums that you work in. They as the students can participate in trying and making that art for themselves and getting excited about it for themselves. And that is just an addicting feeling as an art teacher. Another sign of that is, are you sharing photos and pestering your family and friends with all the art that you've made recently and saying, hey, look what I made? If so, you might consider teaching art because you're clearly excited about what you're doing. And I think that is a great avenue to directing that towards someone else who's going to find that really fascinating and interesting and want to learn from you. Do you love watching someone else find joy in making their artistic visions come to life? Teaching art is all about helping students reach that final vision or end result, as well as teaching them to enjoy the process along the way. The joy that they exude in that process is just so infectious. Do you find yourself wanting to learn more about a specific medium or art subject or art history or technique? We honestly learn best by teaching. So when you jump into a new medium or a technique or something like that, introducing it to a student even before you've mastered it yourself is just a great way for you to learn how to use the material. And you're also bringing someone alongside you, like an apprentice, to be learning that with you, right? And then you actually learn how to teach it better later. So I can't tell you how many times I've tweaked how I teach a material or a project or a technique based on how I've taught it before to other students, because I've learned, oh, if I teach it that way, it's not going to land quite right. If I teach it like this, it's going to land like that. Or, oh, clearly we're not understanding how this material works. We're going to try it this way. You just learn by teaching. Do you get excited about buying supplies and setting up like a work area? If so, lots of teaching is prepping these things for a class. You can have as much control over this as you want. Kind of depends on your vibe and what you like to do and not do and how you like to work. Some teachers just love setting up a classroom and setting up all the supplies for each student, or even just making a large order of supplies and knowing that your students are just going to love this is just such a fun thing, right? How can you not get excited about art supplies? Last but not least is, do you enjoy planning? Now, I am not an organized person. Anyone close to me will tell you that. However, I enjoy the planning process of most things. Like, I love planning parties, I love planning events, I love planning a meal. So if that's something that you know about yourself, you might consider teaching, because these skills come in handy when you're planning a syllabus, or creating a theme for a class or for a semester of classes, or creating a fun, interesting list of projects that you're going to be teaching. It also comes in handy for extra things like hosting and planning a student art show or a contest, right? All of this is involved with teaching. It's just kind of using your creativity in a different way. So I hope you will consider teaching if some of these things resonated with you. I have found so much fulfillment in teaching art and watching students get excited about what I'm teaching them. You will start to notice the inspiration loop between your art and what you're making and what you're teaching to your students, and how they just like fuel each other. And it just makes your life as an artist just so much richer. So if you are an artist or art teacher, no matter where you are in your journey of teaching, I have a free guide to engaging every art student. And it's really about how do you meet each student where they're at, depending on their age, their personality, and their skill level. So check that link out in the description below and take advantage of that free resource. But thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.